Today, I want to help you a little bit with progressive cardio training. Is achieving a lean, sculpted look something that is important to you? Do you want to reduce your body fat? Is this a change that you want to make permanently? Or do you want to achieve these results as easily as humanly possible? Great, let's get started. For many people, the question is, how do I start? That can be answered with 3 easy steps. First, select a type of cardio, whether it be the treadmill, running outside, swimming, the elliptical, cycling, whatever it may be. Just select a type. Step 2, complete 10 minutes at a consistent pace, a pace that's doable for you. What you're trying to do is establish a foundation, really a resting place to find out currently where you're at. And third, never ever forget to record your results. You want to see your progression take place. You want to make it happen. Your rate of progression. So let's just say in 10 minutes you burn 100 calories. Well, in 20 minutes then you would burn 200 calories, and in 30 minutes you would likely burn 300 calories. Next is applying a rate of progression. 3 principles behind applying a rate of progression. First, again, establish your base. Second, set a reasonable goal. For example, use 1/2 calorie or 1 calorie per minute as your first goal getting started. And third is always record your results. In practical application, if you initially burned 100 calories in 10 minutes and you wanted to increase your goal by 1 calorie per minute, you would therefore then be burning 110 calories in 10 minutes for your warm-up. With your cardio, you'd then be assessed a goal of 220 calories in 20 minutes or 330 calories in 30 minutes for cardio. And don't forget to breathe. Inhale oxygen in through your nose and exhale carbon dioxide via your mouth. That'll help you keep a sustainable rate of progression as well.